YouTube, and today I'm going to be playing some Arsenal. So
not yet, but I have to get my Robo.
yeah, oh my god, oh my god, I'm on a call with my sister and sorry, my dad's on a call, Uncle Christian. So frijoles. Automatics. Oh, I was pressing E the whole time. Chill out. What's your jet? What's your jet, bro? What's your jet, bro? Bro, what? So stupid. They're coming in our bases. No homo.
I can get 1,000 this time. Well, that's okay.
Guys, I do not have aimbot. Just to clear that, I know some of my TikToks don't have aimbot. So. I will be editing me and my cousins and my sister's TikToks up here. So yeah, so you guys can follow us. This guy's in the kitchen. It might be, our TikToks might be linked in the description, but most likely it will be in the top so you guys can follow.
Get me out of here! Crackle. Oops, I got something!
Whoa. Are you okay, man?
Yes, I'm okay.
Okay, guys. I was playing a little bit of Arsenal just to practice something.
No,
So
stop it.
we're gonna go in here.
Don't mind me when I'm joining it, okay? Where am I?
And later today, I'm going to be doing a mukbang because my mom is getting me McGiddies, so I gotta practice my free builds, see if I'm laggy. My name is James Batu. What? Bro, this game sucks. 30 to 20 FPS. What?
Don't mind me when I'm joining, okay?
Bro, what am I in? Africa servers?
Africa servers.
Bro, I can't even edit. I don't think I can even edit right though. I can't even edit right. I'm not laggy. I'm leaving the game to see my servers, bro. And I East. I'm gonna go on Europe servers to see if it's better. Okay, this is way better. Okay, this is way better. Yeah, I'm in Europe servers now. Way better. So that's my desk. Sorry guys. I need this a little faster, so dot 6. Yeah, this is way better, so. I have frame drops sometimes, so don't mind that. I keep doing. What the heck, bro? What you munching on, Mia? What you munching on? Huh? Then I hear you doing.
I'm literally checking the tapes.
So that's my dad, guys. He's playing GTA.
My favorite avocado.
Mia,
What?
I think this weekend when you come over, I think we're going to I'm not sure. I think we're going to IHOP. Bro, I'm not even dying by me, bro. You okay, Mia? Dead. Imagine dying by me. I'm lagging so bad, bro. Whenever you up now, let's try Australia servers. I'm trying any China servers because I lag on camera, but when I'm not on camera, I be not lagging. Still lagging. Walks like a fish. Nope. I think it's the same person from last time. What? What? Oh my god. Sneaky Link. Girl, I could be your Sneaky Link. Hold up, no, this is weak, no cap. Hold up, niggas guess what? I thought you did. I heard you got this, daddy. Popsicle, bitch! So spraying everything. I just got embarrassed. Put the pickaxe me. Put a box up. Bro. That's his? No, it's not. Tag 50. Wait, what? Where was I kid? I don't know. But bye guys. Have a good day. Spread the gospel.